Hey, what's going on, gang? Steve from the Graphite Lab here. In a couple quick seconds, I'm going to show you how you can make your billable efficiency metrics come to life. So in every price book item, you will notice services, materials, equipment, any of them, you will notice that you have an hours field. For a lot of folks, this is going to be either a little dash, meaning it's empty entirely, perhaps a zero in place. This is going to kill your ability to see your technicians' efficiency ratings. If I know that to replace a toilet, I'm thinking it should be about an hour and a half to 2 hours, I hop over here to edit. I go here to 1.5 and I move on. I do this for every item in my price book. And if my timesheet for a job where a tech is replacing a toilet goes over an hour and a half, I will be able to see that on technician billable efficiency metrics through the Technician Performance Board custom report. Just it gives you extra tools to see who's a good hand and who needs some coaching. All right. Thanks very much, team. I'll talk to you soon.